20-minute full body stretch, yoga for stress and anxiety relief. Stress and anxiety are common in daily life. Whether it's work, studies, or personal problems, our body and mind often feel tired and tense. A simple 20-minute yoga and stretching routine can help you feel relaxed, fresh, and stress-free. Yoga not only makes the body flexible but also calms the mind through deep breathing. Here's a simple routine you can follow to relieve stress and anxiety. Why is stretching and yoga helpful? Relaxes muscles. Stretching helps release tightness in the body. Reduces stress hormones. Yoga lowers cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress. Improves breathing. Deep breathing in yoga helps control anxiety and calm the mind. Boosts mood. It helps release happy hormones, endorphins, making you feel better. 20-minute full body stretch, yoga routine. 1. Deep breathing and neck stretch, 2 minutes. 1. Sit or stand in a comfortable position. 2. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. 2. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly breathe out through your mouth. 2. Repeat 5 times. 3. Gently tilt your head to the right side, ear towards shoulder, hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. 4. Slowly turn your head side to side and perform gentle neck rolls. 2. Shoulder and arm stretch, 2 minutes. 1. Roll your shoulders forward and backward in circles. 2. Stretch one arm across your chest, holding it with the other hand. 2. Hold for 15 seconds and switch sides. 3. Raise your arms above your head, interlock your fingers and stretch upwards. 3. Standing forward bend, 2 minutes. 1. Stand straight with feet slightly apart. 2. Slowly bend forward from your hips and try to touch your toes. 3. Let your head relax and take deep breaths. 3. This helps stretch your back and legs. 4. Cat-cow pose, 3 minutes. 1. Get on your hands and knees, like a crawling position. 2. Inhale as you lift your head and arch your back, cow pose. 3. Exhale as you round your back, bringing your chin towards your chest, cat pose. 4. Repeat slowly 10 times. 5. Downward dog, 3 minutes. 1. From the crawling position, lift your hips up, making an upside down, V shape. 2. Keep your hands and feet firm on the ground. 3. Hold for 30 seconds and breathe deeply. 3. Repeat 3 times. 6. Seated forward stretch, 3 minutes. 1. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. 2. Slowly reach forward, trying to touch your toes. 3. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. 7. Child's pose, 2 minutes. 1. Sit on your knees and lower your chest towards the floor. 2. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. 3. Take slow, deep breaths. 3. This position is very relaxing for the mind. 8. Final relaxation, 3 minutes. 1. Lie down on your back with arms and legs relaxed. 2. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. 3. Focus on your breathing and let go of any stress or worries.